Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to subtract all or zero. Turn to page 105 in your math workbook. 105. Push pause until you find the page, then push play to get started. Great. Are you on page 105? Excellent. Listen as I read the problem. We're going to draw the problem and write the numbers. 4 toys are on the shelf. 0 toys are taken off. How many toys are on the shelf? Okay, I'm going to use my red counters, and I want you to draw circles to show the number of toys that were on the shelf. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toys were on the shelf. 0 toys are taken off the shelf. Circle the toys that are taken off the shelf. I can't circle 0. 0 is nothing. 0 is a placeholder. So I'm not going to circle any of my circles. Now I'm going to write the numbers to show my subtraction problem. I started with 4 counters. Minus, how many counters did I circle and cross off? That's right, 0. And how many counters am I left with? Excellent, 4. So 4 minus 0 equals 4. Great job. Let's try another. All right, are you ready for another problem? Okay. 4 toys are on the shelf. 4 toys are taken off. How many toys are there now? Let's start by putting the toys that are on the shelf. Do you remember how many there were? That's right, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you draw your 4 circles? If you didn't, press pause to be able to go and draw your circles. Okay, 4 toys are on the shelf. 4 toys are taken off. So circle 4 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And cross them off because they were taken off the shelf. How many toys do I have left on the shelf? Did you say 0? That's right. I don't have any circles left. Now let's write the numbers to show our number sentence. How many toys did I start with on the shelf? Yes, I started with 4. How many toys were taken off the shelf? Look at how many toys you circled and crossed off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I took 4 off the shelf. How many circles do I have left? That's right, 0 or none. Excellent. Let's try another one together. Turn to page 106. 106. Press pause to find the page, then push play. All right, excellent. Are you on page 106? Okay, I'm up at the top where there is pink. Let's look at the first one. It says, when you subtract 0, how many are left? How many frogs are on the log? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No frogs jumped off the log. So how many frogs are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write the numbers. So we started with 5 frogs on the log. 0 frogs left the log. So how many frogs are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Let's find out what happens when you subtract all. How many are left? Let's look at our log. How many frogs do you see in the picture? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs. And how many frogs jump off the log? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what did I start with? How many were taken away? And what am I left with? Okay, I started with 5 frogs on the log. Do you remember how many jumped off? Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs jumped off the log. So I'm going to minus 5. How many frogs are still sitting on the log? That's right, 0. No frogs are still sitting on the log. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to try to do the rest of this page all on your own. Look at the picture to find out how many frogs there are and how many frogs are jumping off the log. You did a great job. Keep up the good work.